This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Google Sheets budget. Open a new Google Sheet and title it Budget, then enter income and expenses in clear columns and label categories. Use SUM formulas to total income and each expense column, and copy monthly tabs to track changes. Color code categories for quick scanning and freeze header rows so labels stay visible while you enter data. Review monthly variance and adjust budgets as needed. Begin by using SUM to add income and expenses, then subtract totals to show net income for the month. Use absolute references like $B $2 when copying formulas to keep category references fixed. Add simple IF formulas to flag overspending and conditional formatting to highlight negative net months. Create a running balance column to watch cash flow, and check formulas after copying to ensure totals update correctly across all monthly tabs in your file. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money and pairs nicely with budgeting and sheets. It's a practical read for building long-term habits and simple investment ideas. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Build a monthly summary sheet that pulls totals from each month so you can compare at a glance. Insert pie and bar charts to visualize category spending and a line chart to track net income trends across months. Use sparklines for compact trend views inside cells and conditional formatting to highlight sudden spikes. Set a simple review routine to scan charts weekly, which helps catch recurring overspending and keeps your budget working for your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.